Welcome to my YouTube channel Teaching by Jignesh Sir. Today's topic is zero order reaction. Rate of reaction is proportional to zero power of reactant is known as a zero order reaction. What is reactant and product in the process? That is Na plus Cl gives to NaCl. Before D0 is known as a reactant. In this process before D0 Na and Cl. So Na and Cl are called reactants and after D0 is NaCl. Therefore NaCl is a product. Here R tends to P is a zero order reaction and its differential rate expression is as under. Therefore rate is equal to minus dr upon dt is equal to K bracket ma R. We have to remember this formula. Rate is equal to minus dr upon dt is equal to Kr. For zero order we have to put 0. For first order you can put 1 in place of 0. Therefore we get minus dr upon dt is equal to K and R raised to 0 means 1. Because 10 raised to 2 is equal to 10 into 10 2 times. 10 raised to 3 means 10 into 10 into 10 3 times. Therefore 10 raised to 0 means we don't have to take 10 anytime. So that means for neutral number for multiplication is 1. Therefore anything raised to 0 we can put 1. Therefore R raised to 0 means 1. Therefore minus dr upon dt is equal to K. Therefore minus dr is equal to K dt. Here dt is in division, there in multiplication. First we learn here their rules. This is here their rules for equal to sign. Minus plus plus minus division multiplication multiplication division. This is for equal to. Here dt is in division means multiplication. Therefore here dt is in division, so there dt is in multiplication. So remember these rule, here their rules. Now applying minus to both sides we get minus in bracket minus dr is equal to minus K dt. Here we apply minus sign to both sides. Therefore minus in bracket minus dr is equal to minus K dt. Therefore minus minus plus. Therefore dr is equal to minus K dt. They're integrating both sides. We get therefore integration dr is equal to integration minus K dt. Therefore this is integration and this is differentiation. These both are opposite, so they cancel each other. Therefore integration and differentiation cancel, so we can put only R is equal to. Here we have to know first integration rule. That is, in integration we have to take out constant term outside the integration. Here constant term is equal to minus K, so minus K will be out. Therefore minus K integration dt. Therefore R is equal to minus K. Here again integration and differentiation cancel each other. Therefore only we get T. Whenever we integration any equation we have to put integration constant, that is I. Now put R is equal to R0 and T is equal to 0 in above equation. We get R is equal to R0. Therefore, R0 is equal to minus K in the bracket. What is the value of T? That is 0. Put value T, T's value 0 plus I. Therefore, R0 is equal to, when we multiply any digit with 0, it will become 0. Therefore, 0 plus I. Therefore, R0 is equal to I. Therefore, I is equal to R0. Put I is equal to R0 in equation 1. We get, this is equation number 1. Therefore, R is equal to minus KT as is it plus, put the value of I, that is I is equal to R0. Therefore, here minus KT, there plus KT is equal to R0, here plus R, there minus R. Therefore, K is equal to R0 minus R. Here in T is in multiplication, there T will be in division. This equation is known as a zero order reaction equation. Now we derive half life time for zero order reaction. As we know, K is equal to R0 minus R upon T. We derive this equation last. In this equation, we have to take R is equal to R0 upon 2 and T is equal to T1 for half life. Therefore, put this value in above equation, we get K is equal to R0 minus, what is value of R? That is R0 upon 2. Therefore, instead of R, we put R0 upon 2 whole upon T. But don't take T, we have to take T1 Therefore, this T1 is in division, there in multiplication is equal to R0 multiplied by 2, that is 2R0 minus R0 upon 2 whole upon, this K is in multiplication, there in division. Or you can write this equation as this, K is equal to R0 multiplied by 2, that is 2R0 minus R0 upon 2 whole upon T1. Therefore, K is equal to 2R0 minus R0, that is R0 upon 2 whole upon T1. Therefore, K is equal to R0 upon these 2 will multiply by T1. Therefore, 2T1. Then T1 is equal to R0 upon 2K. Because T1 is in division, there in multiplication. Means multiplication, there K in division. T1 is equal to R0 upon 2K is known as a half-life time of a zero order reaction.